Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I remember sitting in a park as a student, sketching for hours, totally lost in the moment. But like many things, life got busy and I stopped. This year I made it a goal to return to this practice and it's been amazing. So today I'm sharing my top 5 tips for sketching outdoors this autumn to hopefully inspire you to try it too. That's whether you're starting out or rediscovering it like me. Tip number 1, embrace the transition of the seasons. Take time to get inspired by your surroundings. Snap pictures, collect leaves, twigs or stones and create colour palettes that resonate with the season. Nature provides endless inspiration, so use the surprises it offers to enhance your sketches. Tip number 2, experiment with different art materials. Without the pressure of creating a masterpiece, let yourself play. Use autumn as an excuse to try something new, like pastels or ink washes that you've been curious about. You might just surprise yourself with how freeing it feels to experiment outdoors. Tip number 3, hurdles to overcome. It's not all smooth sailing. Weather and distractions are real. I usually bring something warm or a weatherproof jacket and something to sit on, just in case. And if you're feeling self-conscious, just start somewhere quiet like a park, perhaps in the early morning. The more you sketch outside, the more you realise people aren't paying much attention.
So today I'm going to be using these. These are my Derwent Drawing tin, and it's the only set that you can get. Well, it's not the only set you can get, but it's the biggest set you can get. So I thought I'd bring them all out today, and I'm going to just do a quick sketch of what's in front of me. And just use the same sketchbook as usual. So I'm just going to open these out, hope they don't get flying everywhere, and that is the set. So we found this really lovely spot with a really nice stone, really convenient stone seat, which is good for putting all my things on. So I'm just going to lay those over there, and I better crack on because I'm getting a bit cold. The weather has changed.
Tip number 4, pack light but smart. My advice, keep your kit simple. Start with a small sketchbook, a few pencils or a compact watercolour tin. When you're forced to work with less, it often pushes you to be more creative.
this is what I've got so far. I'm just going to make it a simple sketch today. I seem to be getting really cold. So I've blocked in, just don't know if you can see that, just putting a simple house outline. There's a lot of foliage around it, around the borders of the fields. So it's going to be super simple. And the great thing about these drawing pencils is you can use them on the side. So I'm hoping that in the next 5 minutes I can get quite a bit of colour down. So that's where I am so far.
Finally found, till we finally found. Standing in your presence now, torn apart and broken down. Even still we think we got it all figured out. Come and set our hearts on fire, wake us up with your desire. You're the one we're fighting for, our only hope.
I've just made this super simple sketch today. It's really turned cold. My hands, I can't really feel them much, and I'm getting a bit fed up because the camera and phone have been really difficult to use today. So it's a very abstract-y, dare I say, type of sketch, but well worth doing. I'm glad it came out. Anyway, that is a little bit of the scenery that we can see directly in front of us, and it's beautiful. If only I was a little bit warmer.
Tip number 5, the meditative aspect. There's something so calming about sketching outdoors with none of your usual indoor distractions. No emails, no social media, just you and your surroundings. It's as if the world slows down, and sometimes you can get into a state of flow that can be harder to achieve indoors. Tip number 6, bonus tip. Celebrate every little win. Even if it's a super simple study like the one I did today, celebrate it. Every sketch is a step forward, and there is nothing more rewarding than collecting these memories in a sketchbook. I promise you.
Can't use anything today. Videoing? I don't even know if it's videoing now. Yeah. So thank you for being here today. Really appreciate you watching the video. Let me know what you think. Have you used Derwent pencils? If you have, let me know how you found them. I think they're brilliant pencils. I really do love them. would like to take them out a lot more and get a better use in doing sketches this simple perhaps. So anyway, I shall look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, bye.
Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. If you're thinking about starting outdoor sketching, I hope these tips help. I'd love to see your sketches or hear about your outdoor sketching experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more art inspiration. And if you like this video, check out my playlist of outdoor sketching adventures called On Plein Air. Anyway, see you next time. Happy sketching!